Welcome to the SolarEdge Learning Lab. This video will guide you through how to set up zero export on your inverter. Before we begin working, turn the inverter on-off switch to the off position. Turn off the DC safety switch and we'll open up the top cover, accessing the menu via the 4-button interface. Password is 123 123 12. Use the down arrow to select Power Control. Next we'll select Energy Manager, Limit Control, Control Mode. We'll select Export Control and set our site limit to 0. Up and down arrows to enter in your value. Long hold on Enter to apply. Verify your settings, and your changes will be applied once you exit out of the menus using the Escape button. Thanks for joining us in the SolarEdge Learning Lab.